3 impressive JavaScript project ranked from hardest to easiest. The hardest app on this list is a chat app. A fully functional chat app should be able to make calls as well as sending messages. In my opinion, the easiest way to make a chat app is to use Firebase as your backend and React as your frontend. If you would like to make a desktop chat app, like Zoom, consider switching from React with React Native. I will leave the link to a chat app course in the description. A fully functional weather app, the second hardest on the list, can be made easily with an external API. OpenWeather, an online API, can be used to power the backend of this project. A simple weather app, as shown below, can be easily made within a few hours. A portfolio website is by far the easiest on this list because it does not need a backend code. You have a lot of choices on what front-end framework you want to use, but I believe React is the easiest option.